Judges in Indonesia in 2021, plastic waste become 64 billion per year, and it's 64 billion ton per year, and it's make Indonesia become second rank of bigger contributor plastic waste in the world after China. If every year it's increase and increase, it will make Indonesian civilians itself threaten their environment. And the motion today is this House would criminalize individuals and organizations who do not recycle. Before I tell you my argument here, I will tell you the definition of the motion. The definition of the motion or the motion means we will criminalize who do not recycle their waste, especially an organic waste. Why we just recycle the inorganic waste? That's because the organic waste can unravel itself. And so now I tell you about my mechanism. How we will criminalize the individuals or organization who do not recycle. First, we will group individuals by their income to know how to give their punishment if they violate the rules. We just give fine to pay some money, but based on their income. And what about the organization? For organization, we group them by their income too, but the rules just apply to official organization, company, or government agencies. They can sell or use their recycled product. Recyclable things is just inorganic waste like plastic waste, glass or metal waste, and we just can recycle waste that still can recycle. We don't recycle inorganic waste if the material has been damaged. If the plastic waste, we can throw it to the rubbish bin, and lasting, we still throw organic waste to the rubbish bin too, or make it into organic fertilizer. So that's all of my mechanism. And secondly, I will tell you my argument. And here I have 2 points in my argument. And my first argument is why we must doing the recycle. Recycle will give us more profit if we doing the recycle. First profit that we will get is, first, it will reduce buildup of the inorganic waste, and second, we will get product from our recycle that we can sell it or we can use it like in the mechanism. Of course, it will add a little bit to our income. In last, it will reduce gadget used because we will have time to doing activities without gadget. And here my second argument is why we must strict in carrying out this rule. As we know, every time when we buy product with plastic packing, it means we add plastic waste to our environment. And why I always using plastic waste in my argument? That's because plastic is the most things that we can find if we buy or use some products. Back to the topic. If our environment is full of plastic waste, it will make our environment looks bad, and we will feel uncomfortable in that environment, because our environment is looks bad. So it's better to do in recycle than throw the waste into rubbish bin. With throw the waste into the rubbish bin, we will guard our environment, but with doing recycle, we will get income too. According to Merdeka.com in 2020, the anorganic waste in Indonesia will thrown and grouped in garbage dump, but there is not advanced processing. If left, it will pile up and empty into the sea, and it can damage the ecosystem in the sea. So that's why we must doing recycle and confirm it. And that's all of my argument I brought to be proposed. Thank you.